Hitting 500,000 miles on a car isn't just luck, it's knowing exactly how to treat your car right, every day. In this video, I'll show you the habits, maintenance, and mindsets that get everyday cars to 500,000 miles. Whether you're driving a humble hatchback or a trusty old saloon, this guide is for you. Most cars on the road never make it past 150,000 miles, but there are owners who routinely hit 300, 400, even 500,000 miles without spending a fortune. How? It's not magic. It's a combination of consistent habits, smart maintenance, and avoiding things that slowly destroy your car. In this video, I'll break down exactly how to get your car to the 500,000 mile mark, no matter what you drive. Before we talk about care, let's talk about the car. Some models are built to last. Others are designed for short-term leases. If you're serious about high mileage, look for cars known for longevity. Toyota Corolla, Honda Accord, Volvo 240, old Mercedes diesels, even some pickup trucks. Interesting fact, a man in the US drove his 1991 Honda Civic over 1 million miles with the original engine. Toyota's Tundra, especially models from the early 2000s, are well-documented million-mile runners. Avoid overly complex luxury cars unless you're happy to wrench. Parts for European luxury brands can be costly and hard to find. Simpler, well-documented platforms are much easier to live with long-term. Reliability doesn't mean boring, it means peace of mind on the road. Always start with a car that's been well-maintained. A high-mileage car with full service history is usually a better long-term investment than a low-mileage one with mystery gaps. Look for cars with a reputation for reliability and accessible parts. Oil changes are the big one. Do them early, do them often. Every 5,000 miles for petrol, 7,500 max if you're using full synthetic and mainly doing motorway miles. Always use a quality oil filter. It makes a difference over time. Fun fact, taxi fleets often report engines lasting 400,000 plus miles, and the secret is simple. They never skip scheduled maintenance. But don't stop at oil. Change your coolant every 2 to 5 years. Brake fluid should be flushed every 2 years. Automatic transmission, service it. Even if the manufacturer says lifetime fill, that just means the warranty period. Power steering, differential, and even washer fluid. Stay on top of it all. Keep a logbook. Schedule your maintenance like a dentist appointment. Preventive care always costs less than reactive repairs. Your driving habits matter more than you think. Flooring it from every stoplight or constantly revving to redline is a fast way to wear things out. The engine, gearbox, brakes, they all last longer when treated with respect. Interesting tip, the difference between an aggressive driver and a smooth one can be tens of thousands of miles in engine wear. Police fleets use rev limiters and restrict idling to improve longevity. Keep the revs low in town. Smooth acceleration and braking aren't just for fuel economy, they protect your drivetrain. Don't use the gearbox to show off, use it to glide. If it's an automatic, let it shift gently. If it's a manual, ease the clutch in and out. And remember cold starts, that's when most engine wear happens. Drive gently until everything's up to temperature. Mechanically, most cars can last 500,000 miles, but rust, especially in the UK, is what sends them to the scrapyard. Did you know? In places like Sweden and Finland, where road salt is used heavily, most car owners undercoat their cars as standard practice, and it's made a noticeable impact on vehicle lifespan. The underbody, wheel arches, sills, boot floor, all vulnerable to salt, moisture, and neglect. Once rust takes hold, it spreads fast and becomes difficult to repair. Get your car undersealed if it's not already. Jet wash the undercarriage regularly, especially after winter road gridding. Use cavity wax inside doors and structural panels. Inspect yearly. Deal with rust early. You don't want to be cutting out entire floor pans just to pass MOT. Even the most reliable car needs parts replaced. That's normal. Suspension bushings wear out. Wheel bearings hum. Timing belts stretch. Clutches slip. Don't panic. These are signs your car is doing its job and deserves fresh components. One legendary case. A Toyota Hilux in Australia passed 800,000 kilometers. That's nearly 500,000 miles, with its third clutch and second timing belt. All done on time, no drama. Replace parts proactively. If the belt's due at 100K, don't wait until 110. If your shocks feel floaty or the brakes squeal, address it. Waiting until failure often causes collateral damage. Carry out preventative maintenance like it's part of ownership. That's what high-mileage drivers do. So, if you want your car to hit 500,000 miles, choose a reliable platform, service it like clockwork, drive with care, protect it from rust, and fix things before they break. That's the formula. We want to hear from you. What's the highest mileage you've ever owned on a car? Drop it in the comments below. Got tips of your own? Share them. You might help someone else push their car that much further.